Good morning. My name's Ruthie K, and I have another website called Ruthie K's. I do alterations and sewing, and we started this website because people in our family needed a resource to go to because we come from a very crafty family. My mom, for example, I know my daughter has talked about it and showed you her beautiful table runners, but I wanted to show you her way cool book because I grew up with what's in this book. This is an Advent book. For those of you that celebrate Advent, this is another fun way to do it. And it's the perfect time because Advent starts right after Thanksgiving and goes through Christmas, counting down the days of Christmas. This is for somebody of a biblical belief because that's how we did our Advent, counting down towards Christmas, was in relation to the biblical events. And my mom wrote up this book about what we did, and it's really cool in that it literally takes you, I know it's all backwards, sorry. It literally takes you, though, through a devotional and songs that we used to sing. And some of them you won't know. You're going to have to look them up online. But you can always put in songs that you do know that fit. And so it's actually going through the 4 weeks before Advent, ending on Christmas Day, with the scriptures from the Bible that tell you about Christ's birth. So that's pretty cool, because a lot of times people don't know where to find that or do Advent in only one way. Then she put in here the menu for our Christmas dinner and recipes. We have a Christmas Eve, a brunch menu, Christmas dinner, sausage egg casserole, her cinnamon rolls, which Mom would always make for Christmas Day. All just different things that we would have during the Christmas season. With our favorite one is called pepper nuts. And this is literally everyone's favorite one. And people that come into the family either love them or hate them. They are a molasses pepper cookie. And they're cut into little small, tiny nut size pieces. So we have a lot of fun stuff in this book, and I just wanted to let you know it's available and brag a little on my mom. Who wouldn't want to brag on their mom when they do such cool stuff, right? So my mom has written this book, and then she mainly for our site makes aprons, tablecloths, table runners, cloth napkins, and we're getting all the pictures taken to get them up online. So that's one of our exciting things at Ruthie K's at RK Artisans store. Take a look, see if there's anything that you'd like. Remember also that if you give us a color scheme, Mom can make you a table runner that will fit within your home area that you want to have it. So look also for pictures as we go, because we'll be setting up pictures of how to set up your table, how to use a table runner in your hallway, cool things like this. That's part of the fun of having such a cool website. So welcome to RK Artisans, a maker's spot to display their wares and bring them to your attention. Super excited. This is Ruthie K.